Let's make a homemade remedy which is known as Amalaki Churna for children between 2 to 5 years old to see an instant relief from cold and cough. Here are the ingredients. Fennel is a flowering vegetable. Fennel seed powder provides relief from respiratory issues like cough, bronchitis, and congestion due to its expectorant properties. Amla has a high concentration of natural antioxidants and vitamin C. Amla has a strengthening agent that strengthens the immune system by nourishing the tissues, and it also gently removes the toxins. Honey is used because it has an anti-inflammatory, antioxidant and antibacterial agent. It also helps in reducing cough and cold. Ghee, which is also known as clarified butter, is made from cow milk. It boosts overall health, strengthens bones and improves gut health. Let's prepare this concoction by adding 2 teaspoons of black amla powder, now add 2 teaspoons of fennel powder, mix these ingredients with 1 tablespoon of ghee, and 1 tablespoon of honey. Mix all these ingredients to form a thick paste. This is how the concoction should look like. Give this tasty homemade remedy to your children between 2 to 5 years old. Finish this mixture by giving it 3 to 4 times a day. Thank you.